Work's important. It provides for families, puts food on the table. But you know what's more important? Going home every night. That's the goal. Every worker deserves to clock out safe and sound. That's why workplace safety isn't just a good idea, it's the only idea. Think of your loved ones. Think of the people counting on you. They worry, they care. You owe it to them, and yourself, to work smart and be safe. No job's worth getting hurt over. Remember that. Safety starts before the workday. Inspect your tools, check your surroundings. Be aware. That awareness could save your life or the life of a coworker. We look out for each other. PPE, personal protective equipment. Not just a suggestion, folks. It's your armor. Your shield against potential danger. Hard hat, safety glasses, gloves, steel-toe boots. They're not for show. They're designed to protect you from harm. Think of it like this. You wouldn't play football without a helmet, right? Same goes for working around heavy machinery or hazardous materials. Wear the gear. Every time. No excuses. And make sure it fits right. A loose hard hat won't protect you from a falling object. Gloves too big? You could lose a finger. Pay attention to these details. They matter. We all have a role to play in safety. See something, say something, a frayed electrical cord, a spill on the floor, a loose handrail. Don't ignore it, report it immediately. That's not being a snitch. That's being responsible. That's looking out for your team. Small problems can become big problems if we ignore them. Remember, safety is everyone's job. Don't assume someone else will take care of it. Be proactive. Speak up. It could prevent an accident. Safety isn't just about rules and regulations, it's about creating a culture of care. We look after each other, we share knowledge, we learn from each other's experiences. New guy on the job? Show him the ropes. See someone taking a shortcut? Say something. We're all in this together. Remember, the most important thing is that we all go home safely at the end of the day. Let's work together to make that happen. Every day.